Hi there and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you the whole process of this new painting. I painted my lighter. You can paint, especially if you're a beginner painter, you can improve your skills significantly if you paint daily life objects. Don't complicate things. Just find little objects. It can be a lighter, it can be anything, and just paint it. I will share with you the whole process today. I used a very limited palette. You can use a limited palette. This will help you a lot. Do not complicate the painting process. Especially if you are a beginner, start with very little colors. For example, the whole painting is I made it from titanium white, cadmium red, cadmium yellow, ultramarine blue, and a little bit of burnt umber. You can use a limited palette to make amazing painting, believe me. So, no further ado, let's get it done. Thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe. See you next time.